Hey there, and welcome to the RedVeil Security channel. This is where we walk through how RedVeil works and help you get comfortable using the platform. Just in case you didn't know, we also have an entire document section with lots of really good articles on how to get going with the platform. Just head over to the main site and click the docs link to check it out. In our previous video, we spent time learning how to go through the details of the Host tab and the Issues tab after our penetration test had completed. We had quite a few findings, and we got a lot of information given to us about what those findings were, the evidence, the impact, and how to remediate them. In this tutorial video, we will talk about what you can do after you've implemented your remediations and how you can use RedVeil to perform remediation testing. We'll also show you how you can mark any finding you believe to be a false positive. To begin, you will want to navigate to the Issues tab to see all your findings in the project. There are a couple of ways you can approach remediation testing in RedVeil. You can do remediation testing directly from each finding's individual tab. Or if you've gone through and remediated everything in the list, you can click the Retest All Open button in the top right of the Issues tab. First, we'll show you how to perform remediation testing from the individual findings detail tab. Click on the finding and take a look at the top right. Do you see the Actions button? If you click the three dots, you'll see some options. Here is where you can initiate our one-click retest capability. Once the remediation test is complete, it will update the finding for you. If you've checked the finding and you've determined that it isn't valid, you can also choose to mark it as a false positive. When you mark it as a false positive, RedVeil will require you to input your justification statement. After inputting your justification and confirming the status, the finding will be noted as a false positive, and any reports you generate will have that finding in a report appendix along with your justification. These workflow tools allow you to manage the full lifecycle of security findings, from initial discovery through remediation verification. Using retesting and marking false positives appropriately helps keep your findings accurate, actionable, and aligned with your organization's risk posture. For additional walkthroughs and more content from us, you can check out the rest of the videos on this channel. See you in the next video.